Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have started exercise 4.2 and in that we have completed question number A. Now today we will see the question number B. So open your textbook, page number 52. Read the question. B question, convert into minutes. Convert into minutes. What is the first example? Yes, see the first example, 8 hours. 8 hours is equal to, here 8 hours, this hours we have to convert into minutes. So first of all you have to write 1 hour is equal to, yes, see here, these hours we have to convert into minutes. Okay, so first of all we will write 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Yes, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, now what is the question? 8 hours. This 8 hours we have to convert into minutes. So what you will do? 8 hours is equal to 60 into 8, we have to multiply it by 60 to the given hours, then it will be converted into minutes. So 8 hours is equal to 60 into 8 minutes. Okay, now do the multiplication. Yes, 60 into 8. Yes, 60 into 8. Do the multiplication and tell me the answer. 8 into 0, 0. Then 8 6 yes, 8 6 48. So here we will write 48 minute. Okay, so 8 hours is equal to 480 minutes, because here you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now here you have to read the question carefully. See here, convert into minutes, this minutes and here hour is there. So what we have to do? We have to convert these hours into minutes. So here you have to write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, because these hours you have to convert into minutes. Okay, here the relation is between hours and minutes. So here we have to write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then how many hours are there? There are 8 hours. Okay, so 8 hours is equal to 60 into 8. Now here you have to do the multiplication. 8 into 0, 0. 8 0 0. Then 8 6 are 48. So 8 hours is equal to 480 minutes. Okay, understood? Okay, now see the next example, 5 hours. 5 hours. See here, you have to read the question very carefully. Here also hours is there and here minutes is there. These hours you have to convert into minutes. So here we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, because we have to convert these hours into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now how many hours are there? Yes, there are 5 hours. Okay, so here we will write 5 hours is equal to, now what you will do? You will multiply it by 60 to the given number. Here 5 hours are there. So 60 into 5. Okay, now do the multiplication. Yes, 5 into 0. 5 into 0, 0. Correct, because you know, you have learned in the multiplication topic, if we will multiply it by 0 to any number, we will get the answer 0 only. Okay, so 5 into 0, 0. Then 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. Correct, 5 6 are 30. So 5 hours is equal to how many minutes? 5 hours is equal to 300 minutes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then these 5 hours we have to convert it into minutes. So 5 into 60 we have to do. Okay, after multiplication you will get the answer 300 minutes. So 5 hours is equal to how many minutes? 300 minutes. Okay. Next, 2 hours. See the third number example, 2 hours. Now what is the first step? Yes, this hours we have to convert into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 2 hours is equal to what? If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 2 hours is equal to 60 into 2. Very easy, it is 60 into 2. That is, yes, 120 minutes. Okay. See, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours is equal to 60 into 2 minutes. That is 120 minutes. See here, do the multiplication. 2 into 0, 0. 2 6 are 12. Very easy it is. So 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Okay. Now take the fourth number example. What is the example? How many hours are there? 24 hours. What is the first step? Yes, 24 hours. This 24 hours you have to convert into minutes. Okay, here hours is there, and that you have to convert into minutes. So first you have to write 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now here how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. So write here 24 hours is equal to what? 60 into 24. Okay. Now do the multiplication. Here we do the multiplication. 60 into 24. Okay. 4 into 0, 0. 4 6 are 24. Correct. So write here 24. Now here 2 digit multiplication is there. Okay. So here we have to give -0. Then 2 into 0, 0. 2 6 are 12. Now you have to do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. And here 1 as it is. So 60 into 24 is equal to what? 1440 minutes. Okay. See here 24 hours is equal to what? 1440 minutes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here we have 24 hours. So 24 hours is equal to 60 into 24 minutes. Now here we have to do the multiplication. Okay. So after multiplication we got the answer, that is 1440 minutes. So 24 hours is equal to 1440 minutes. Okay. Okay. Now see the next example. How many hours are there? 10 hours are there. Okay. Fifth number, 10 hours. Yes, first step, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So 10 hours is equal to what? 10 into 60. 10 hours is equal to 10 into 60 minutes. So do the multiplication. Here 1 into 6, 6. Here 2 zeros are there. So simply you have to put 2 zeros. Okay. So 10 hours is equal to how many minutes? 600 minutes. Okay. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 10 hours is equal to 10 into 60 minutes. 10 into 60, 600 minutes. Understood? Okay. Now next example. Yes, 15 hours. Sixth number, 15 hours. See, step by step you have to write. Okay. 15 hours. These 15 hours you have to convert into minutes. So first what we will write? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So write here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now here how many hours are there? Here we have 15 hours. So 15 hours is equal to how many minutes? 15 into 60. Now do the multiplication. 15 into 0, you know the table of 15 now, okay? So 15 into 0, 0. 15 6 are, yes, 90, correct. 15 6 are 90. So 16 into 15 is 60 into 15 is equal to 900 minutes, okay? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here 15 hours is equal to 900 minutes. How? 60 into 15 you have to do, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 15 hours is equal to 60 into 15. After multiplication you will get the answer 900 minutes. So 15 hours is equal to 900 minutes. Clear? Okay. Now see the next example. Yes. Example number 7. 3 hours. 7th number example. 3 hours is equal to how many minutes? Okay. What is the first step? Yes, here hours are there. These hours we have to convert into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to what? 3 hours is equal to 16 to 3, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to 16 to 3. Do the multiplication. 16 to 3. Yes. 3 into 0, 0. 3 6 are, yes, 18. Correct. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to 60 into 3. After multiplication you will get the answer 180 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. Now next example, 8th number, 12 hours. 12 hours. Okay. What is the first step? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 12 hours is equal to what? 12 hours is equal to how many minutes? 12 hours is equal to 60 into 12 minutes. Now you have to do the multiplication. You know the table of 12 now. 12 into 0, 12 0, 0, 12 6 are, yes, 72, correct. So write here 72. So 60 into 12 is equal to 720. So 12 hours is equal to 720 minutes. Okay. Now the next example is 2 days. 9th number example, 2 days. See here. Here days are there, and these days we have to convert into minutes. Okay. So first what we will write? 1 day is equal to, first we will convert these days into hours, and then that hours we will convert into minutes. Okay. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now here we have 2 days. So 2 days means how many hours? 2 days is equal to 24 into 2. 24 into 2, 48 hours. Okay. Now this 48 hours we will convert into minutes. Now we'll write here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now here how many hours we have? 2 days means what? 48 hours. So here 48 hours is equal to 60 into 48. Now do the multiplication. 60 into 48. Here we will do the multiplication. 60 into 48. 8 into 0, 0. 8 6 are 48. So we will write here 48. Then here you have to give 1 minus 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 6 are 24. Now do the addition. Yes, 2880 minutes. 2880 minutes. Understood? See here what we have done. First here 2 days they had given us. First these days we have to convert into hours. Okay, so 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then if 1 day is equal to 24 hours, then 2 days is equal to what? 24 into 2, that is 48 hours. Okay, then now these hours we will convert into minutes. So for that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then here we have 48 hours. So that 48 hours we have to convert into minutes. So here 16 to 48, here we got 2880 minutes. So 2 days is equal to what? 2880 minutes. One more example is remaining, that is 10th number. What is the question? Yes, 1 week. See, 1 week. This 1 week we have to convert into minutes. Okay, 1 week. Now 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, now this 7 days we have to convert into minutes. So for that first we will write 1 day is equal to 24 hours. See here, first this week we will convert into days, and then that days we will convert into, yes, hours. So here 7 days, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now what we will do? 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, now 7 days is equal to 24 into 7 hours. Yes, 24 into 7, do the multiplication. 7 4s are 28. So here we will write 8 and 2 in your mind. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. Okay, so 7 days is equal to 168 hours. Now these hours we will convert into minutes. So for that 1 hour is equal to, yes, 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then here how many hours we have? Here we have 168 hours. So here we will write 168 hours is equal to, yes, 168 into 60. Then it will be converted into minutes. So do the multiplication. 168 into 60. 0 into 8, 0, 0, 0. Here we have to give 1 minus 0. Then 6 8s are 48. So here we will write 8 and 4 as a carry. Then 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4, 40. So here we will write 0 and 4 as a carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10. Now do the addition. Here only zeros are there, so no need to do the addition here. What is the answer? Yes, 10,080, correct, minutes. Okay, see what we have done here. They had given us week. Then that week first we have to convert into days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now these days first we will convert into hours. Okay, so 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 7 days is equal to 24 into 7. Okay. Now whatever figure we will get, that is 168, that we will convert into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then here we will do the multiplication, that is 168 into 60. After multiplication, here we got the final answer, that is yes, 10,080. Okay, understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the C question. What is the question? Convert into minutes. Again same question, convert into minutes. First, what is the example? First example, 3 hours 15 minutes. 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay. See here, in the B question, we have to convert into hours. We have to convert hours into minutes. Now here they are given us hours and minutes also, that we have to convert into minutes. So let us say how to do. 3 hours and 15 minutes. First what we will do, these hours we will convert into minute, and this minutes which is already given in the minutes, that we will keep as it is. Okay. So first we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 3 hours is equal to how many minutes? If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 3 hours is equal to 60 into 3 minutes. Then do the multiplication. 3 into 0, 0, 3 6 18. Okay. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. Now what is our question? 3 hours and 15 minutes. So here we'll write 3 hours 15 minutes is equal to. Now here 3 hours is equal to how many minutes? 180 minutes. So here we'll write 180. Then here 15 minutes are there, that we have to add. Okay. So here we'll write 15 minutes. See students, don't forget to write the unit. Okay. Now here 180 plus 15, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 1, 9, and this one as it is. So 180 plus 15 minutes, that is 195 minutes. Okay. So 3 hours 15 minutes is equal to 195 minutes. Understood how to solve? Yes. See here, first what you have to do, you have to convert this hours into minutes, then you have to do the addition. Okay. Second example. What is the example? Yes, 7 hours 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Now see, hours and minutes, both the units are there. Okay. First what we will do, we will convert this hours into minutes. So 7 hours 50 minutes are there. First we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then we will convert this 7 hours into minutes. Okay. This 50 minutes we will keep as it is. So write here 7 hours is equal to 60 into 7. Now simple multiplication is there. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 6, 42. So write here 42. Means 7 hours is equal to 420 minutes. 7 hours is equal to 420 minutes. Now what is the question? 7 hours 50 minutes. So write here 7 hours 50 minutes is equal to. Now 7 hours is equal to how many minutes? 420. So we'll write here 420 plus this 50 minutes we have to add. So add this 50 minutes. Now 420 plus 50. Do the addition. Yes, 420 plus 50 means 420 plus 50, 470 minutes. Now here 470 minutes, but see students, 60 minutes is equal to what? 1 hour. Yes, 60 minutes is equal to what? 1 hour. So here 7 hours is equal to 420 minutes. Now 7 hours 50 minutes is equal to 420 plus 50, that is 470 minutes. Understood how to solve? Okay. Now see one more example. See the next example. Third number example. 10 hours 30 minutes. Third number example. 10 hours 30 minutes. First step, yes, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to what? 60 minutes. Now 10 hours is equal to what? 10 hours is equal to 60 into 10, that is, see, first you have to do the multiplication, that is 6 into 1, and then you have to count how many zeros are there. Here 1, 2, 2 zeros are there, so simply you have to put 2 zeros. So 60 into 10 means what? 600 minutes. So 10 hours is equal to 600 minutes. Now we will write whatever the question is given. 10 hours 30 minutes is equal to, now here 10 hours is equal to how many minutes? 600. So here we will write 600 minutes plus here 30 minutes are there, that we have to add. So here we will write 30 minutes. Now do the addition. 600 plus 30, that is 630 minutes. Understood? 10 hours 30 minutes is equal to what? First we have to convert this 10 hours into minutes. So here we have written 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 10 hours is equal to 60 into 10. 60 into 10 means 600 minutes. Now 10 hours 30 minutes is equal to 600 plus 30, because 10 hours is equal to 600. So 600 minutes plus 30 minutes, that is 630 minutes. Okay. Now last one more example we will see, that is 8 hours and 45 minutes. Last example we will take 8 hours 45 minutes. 8 hours 45 minutes. Now see here, next, first step, 8 hours 45 minutes. First we will convert this 8 hours into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So 8 hours is equal to how many minutes? 60 into 8. So do the multiplication. 8 into 0, 0. 8 6 are 48. Okay. So 8 hours is equal to what? 480 minutes. Now 8 hours 45 minutes. 8 hours 45 minutes is equal to, now here 8 hours is equal to how many minutes? 480. 480 plus this 45 you have to add. Now do the addition, that is 480 plus 45. Do the addition, 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 4, 12. So write here 2 and 1 as a carry. Then 4 and this carry. 4 plus 1, 5. That is 8 hours 45 minutes is equal to what? 525 minutes. Yes, understood? See here, first we have to convert this hours into minutes. So here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here we have 8 hours. So 8 hours is equal to 60 into 8. That is 480 minutes. Okay. Now we'll write whatever question is given. that is 8 hours 45 minutes. Now 8 hours is equal to how many minutes we got? 480 minutes. So 480 plus 45 minutes. After addition here the answer is 525 minutes. Okay, understood? How to solve this example? Okay, so today in this way we have completed exercise 4.2. In the next session we will see the next part. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.